Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I just wanted to show you how to make a wonderful chocolate cake from basic ingredients that you probably have in your home. Okay, so we are going to start out with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And then we're going to add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. We're going to add 3/4 cup of baking cocoa. Now this is the extra black cocoa. It looks like this. You can get it from Amazon or any of the grocery stores. It doesn't matter if it's the black kind or just any baking cocoa that you want to use. Okay. After that, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using the Himalayan pink salt, but again, that doesn't matter. That's up to you. We're going to whisk all these ingredients together. Now, if you want to make this into more of a pantry mix that you're going to keep in your pantry until you're ready to use, you would go ahead and add powdered vanilla, but today I don't have any, so we're going to go ahead and use the liquid vanilla. Now after this is all mixed, like I said, you can store this in a canning jar and just stick it in your pantry and then just put a label on it as to how to use it. So when you're ready to use it, we will be adding the 1 teaspoon of liquid vanilla, or you could go ahead with your powdered vanilla. We're going to add 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of milk, cream, or half and half. So it's up to you on what you want to do. I'm choosing half and half in this recipe. And then 1/4 cup of oil. Again, that's another thing that's your choice. You can use vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil. I think that olive oil is a little bit too strong though for the cake, so I prefer not to use that in this mix, but you can do whatever you want to do. So after we're done whisking this together, getting all the ingredients blended, we're going to put it into a baking pan. And again, that's your decision on what size or what type. Today I'm going to use a bundt cake pan. And you just need to make sure you grease it and then flour it lightly. See, I just greased and floured. We'll go ahead and pour this mix into the pan. And then we would bake this in a 350-degree oven until, like if you poke a knife or a toothpick into the center of the cake, you will see if it comes out clean, then it's finished. It takes about a half an hour, the best guess. Anyways, that's all there is to it. And before you know it, you'll be enjoying a beautiful piece of cake. Have a good day. Bye.